using Oops paint. So before there was Annie Sloan and Dixie Belle and Farmhouse and whatever, there was always good, trusted Oops paint that I painted with all the time. I mean, so this is like a $50 gallon of paint. It could even be more that I think I spent $10 on. A 50-cent sample, versus these are this size. I don't even know. Well, this size of Dixie Belle's $24. So, I mean, and I love the chalk paints, don't get me wrong, and I'm really loving this Farmhouse paint. I've used milk paint, I've used all kinds of things over the years, and today is just use what you have. So the Oops paint it is for some of it. I will be using the Dixie Belle and the Farmhouse also because I want those colors that I have incorporated in it. So, yeah, I mean, $2 for a quart versus $25 for a table that you're going to sell. It's still a very good paint, and I mean, it's fine for cabinets and it's fine for your home, and so why not on a table?